everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is time to share with you guys what we got done in cleaning for the video. Now, you guys know I'm just had it with toys. You can give me all your opinions, all you guys want. I don't listen to very much opinions. Yes, my kid has a lot of toys. The reason why he did is because we thought for a long time he was going to be the only child, and I spoiled him. And I get a lot of toys for free, and people give us toys all the time. So that is one reason why my kid has a lot of toys. I'm not trying to start this video just negative. I just seen a lot of people like, well, he's got a lot of toys. Yes, he does. But when you try to get pregnant for 3 years and you don't think you're going to have a kid anymore, then yeah, your kid will be spoiled. So, but like I said, I'm getting rid of things. It just takes a while, you guys. This doesn't take overnight. And like I said in my past video, I'm going to have goals. My whole goal for the month of August is to organize this whole half of this side of the living room and get rid of toys. So once I get everything organized and everything all figured out, then I will start getting rid of toys. But you know, it just doesn't happen overnight. So I'm sorry for being negative right off the bat, but I just get a lot of people who give me their opinion. That's fine. I don't have to follow it. So not trying to be negative, but I'm here to share with you guys what we did. So Saturday we went to IKEA and we ended up getting shelves. Grandma originally just wanted to get one, and then while we were at the store, he's like, well, let's just get two. And I says, that is fine. So he ended up building one while I was couponing, and then we went to a birthday party and he built the other one. So he kind of messed up my whole entire thing. So now I have to spend more time figuring out what the heck is going on and what the heck has been sorted and what the heck he touched. So I'm kind of ticked off about that. So now I got to figure that out. But it's still, you know, it's picked up a little bit. He ended up taking... he put like some random boxes in here, which I didn't want the random boxes, but I'm starting to label everything again. We got more fabric drawers, so we're going to fill this thing not with just toys but some other stuff too, but right now I'm filling it with toys as I'm organizing. And then Ben started playing with all the toys because, you know, he doesn't know what he has. And then my husband did all of this. He like totally messed up my piles of stuff. So now I got to go through this and organize it. It's just more work for me than I really wanted it. I just wanted it the way it was, and now it's like I don't even know what to do. And now this is when I get overwhelmed and I get stressed out because I have to take care of the baby and I have to do this. But my son's going to be home any minute now. He goes to gymnastics on Tuesdays, so he'll be home any minute now. And then tomorrow I'm going to have Ben help me with this tomorrow while Charlotte's taking a nap. So this is what I got to work on, but it's just he messed everything up and I'm kind of ticked off about it. So got to go through all that, but he did pick up a little bit in this area. He took my red chair apart. I can't get rid of my red chair, so he took it apart. We just got to package it up pack it up in the storage room, which we will in a little bit. But then we put more fabric drawers in here. They're all going to be the gray ones. The blue and the white ones are going actually in the kids' room. But I will get to that when I get to that. I'm just trying to gather all the toys together right now. This is Ben's birthday present. It's a huge Hot Wheels thing. So we'll give that to him later on. And then I will still get rid of that kitchen once I get all the accessories to it. But we still have to go through this toy box. But he did clean up this area a lot. But he just put everything over there. So that is what I'm going to work on tomorrow. So I'll show you guys what I've worked on that. And then, yeah. And then I got some books and stuff to start organizing, my scrapbook stuff. I'm going to start it's not like true scrapbooking, but I'm just kind of making albums for the kids. Like I make an album for Christmas every year. And I've showed you guys this before where I put a Christmas card of our Christmas card in a book for them. So I'm starting one for Charlotte. And so now I'm also working on baby stuff with Ben and Charlotte. So, but that is what I am working on in the next couple weeks. But this will be done by the end of August, you guys. This is what I wanted to do. I wanted to clean this whole area for the month of August. So I'm going to work on that. And then this is the stuff we're going to get rid of. Like, this is all the stuff. Some of the stuff shouldn't be in here, but I'm going to get rid of all this stuff. And there's more stuff that I want to get rid of, but my one friend, she's like, oh, you should hang out, you should keep that, and I'm like, no, I want to get rid of it. Not trying to bash her, but when I have stuff in my head that I want to get rid of, just let me get rid of it. It's not your stuff. Like, you guys watch my video, it's not your stuff. I will get rid of it on my own time. I'm not a hoarder. I'm just a person who is very attached to a lot of my things, and it just takes time, and a lot of you guys might be having the same problems. It just takes time. So let me work on this tomorrow, and I will show you guys what I got done, and then I'll show you guys more of the toy organization. But there is that. Not trying to be in a bad mood. I get a lot of people who give me their honest opinion, and I don't like it. It's my house, my rules, and I'm sharing you guys my life with my videos. So if you don't like it, I'm sorry, but this is the way I'm doing it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, welcome back. So yesterday, my friend and I spent a good 5 hours literally organizing, getting everything all set. And then her kids and my kids were just driving us nuts. Like, we couldn't do anything because they were either screaming, something was going on. But I felt like we did get a lot of stuff done. I'm still not finished, you guys. I know it's that bad. I just was finding more and more stuff, but pretty much a lot of it's all organized, and I'm still going to continue organizing it. I have ideas of what I'm getting rid of. But yeah, it's crazy. But like I said in my previous, recorded during this video, my son was spoiled, but I found a tote full of more stuff. I gotta go through this, but we did empty his toy box. This is just a tote sitting inside it, but I got this thing 100% emptied. I cleaned it out.
I'm down here.
These are all toys that go in the tub, but I'm gonna be getting rid of some of that stuff. That's one thing I hate about, his birthday's coming up. We have an idea what we want to get him. Not as much toys. We have an idea. No, that's okay, honey. But the thing is, with her helping me, there's toys that she got him, and he doesn't play with them. So I don't want her to feel bad, but I will be getting rid of some of those. And I know my mom and my in-laws won't watch this video, but there's toys that I got from them that I want to get rid of, and it's I feel like if they know what I did, I'll hurt their feelings. So that's one reason why I'm but I know they don't watch this kind of video. But I'm going to show you guys what we did, and then I'm going to show you guys this box of donate stuff that I got rid of, and then I got 2 bags of garbage filled up, and then I actually filled a whole bag up of stuffed animals. Those are upstairs to donate. But we did clear off the floor. It was bad. You guys couldn't even get around here. But this is stuff that I'm going to go through. These are all bins, the Vinylmations, Shopkins, all that stuff. I'm going to start just dumping them all out and start bagging all that stuff up together just so it's easier together, and then I might get rid of them. It's hard to say. The puzzles and games I got to go through completely, but I'm going to do that another day. But otherwise, the magic tracks and the magnet tiles, those are doing super good. The magnet tiles, there's not that much, but I'm going to probably put it again in a bag, and then we can put more toys in there. But otherwise, that was good. Ben, can you shut that off, honey? But yeah, so I got to go through this box of stuff, but this is pretty much it. And then there's just one more tote in Ben's room. But the bag of blocks, I got a whole thing of blocks. We got a whole thing of Toy Story. This whole tote's full of books. This is just random storage stuff, so there's that. And then this whole thing is full of Duplos and Legos, or Duplos and Mega Blocks. But I'm keeping those together. This is all of Ben's Hot Wheel tracks and all that stuff, which I'll organize it. But I just wanted it all organized. Here is Ben's trains and everything. There's 2 different types of train tracks in there. And then these are just vehicles. This whole box right here is a donate box. So got rid of a lot of stuff with that. This is all food. I will be organizing the food a little bit more. This is a whole bag of garbage. This is stuffed animals. I'm probably going to get rid of a couple of those things. I just kind of just put them to the side. The baby toys, I'm getting rid of half the things in there. Little people, I have a feeling there is more stuff in there than I want. There's a ball section. Getting rid of that, and I don't know what's in those 2 drawers. McDonald's, probably going to get rid of a lot of stuff in there. So I think we did pretty good with that. And then I have another garbage.
I'm taking all my food.
Yeah. And then I have another garbage bag filled with garbage too. So like I said, you guys, this is my August plan. It's only what, August 2nd. So today is Friday. So I mean, I'm doing pretty good. We got a lot of that. I mean, it's more movable around here. Ben's starting to play again. But
I'm collecting all my food.
you're gonna, okay, put all your Tsum Tsum in there. That'd be awesome. Just start doing that. So there is that, but otherwise that is pretty much all that I'm gonna do this week, you guys. I do gotta clean my video area really badly. We are going on a Walgreens tour tomorrow. So tomorrow, Saturday, we're gonna go on a Walgreens distributions tour. If you guys want to see that video, just Google it, like Walgreens distribution DesignerJen, and you guys can actually see where my husband works. So they only let you go like once a year. Before it was every 5 years, and I never got to go. But now I get to go, so I'm pretty excited. So I think tomorrow what we're going to do is my husband's going to help me put a lot of this stuff away. We're going to start packing up stuff up. But yeah, and then I want to start getting another box started for donating. I was kind of pissed off, you guys. Like, Gina made a video about donating feminine products, and I had my rummage sale, and I even made a video for it showing you guys what I was donating. It was 3 boxes full of feminine products, and I dropped it off at the high school. I was going to post that video today, and it's deleted. I lost it. So, not a big deal, but you guys, like, I'm making it a week. I'm going to make it a monthly donate box. Monthly donate items for that, for the food pantry in my area. And then I'm also got to do some more cleaning out my cabinets and cleaning out stuff. But just a little bit by a little bit. Oh, and this is stuff I'm going to be donating stuff too. So, but other than that, I think we did. Okay. But other than that, I think I did a pretty good job. It's getting there, you guys, so please stay tuned to see what we do next week. Graham didn't realize how much work we actually did today or yesterday, so we did a lot of stuff. So definitely stay tuned so you guys can see what we worked on next week. I'm hoping to have more stuff cleared out, more stuff bagged up, and all that jazz. But again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Sorry for being such a negative Nancy. I am beyond stressed out. I am so stressed out for this stuff. Like I know now not to get so cheap. Like, yes, I understand I get it super cheap, but now I just kind of know more stuff, and this is to help you guys, for people who have kids. I just want to make things better, so that's what we're working on. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Help me keep me motivated more. And we'll see you guys all later. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye, butt.
Bye-bye, butt. Okay, see you guys later. Bye-bye.